Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Notion to delete comments that you or other people have made. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, Notion is an application which is used for a lot of different things, such as creating documents, creating your own journal, creating to-do lists, reading lists, calendars with tasks, etc, etc. It is a very useful thing. It is a very useful application, a lot of different uses. I wholeheartedly recommend you try it for your own personal organization and whatever you might use it for. Just be creative, pretty much. But yeah, as you can see, I have created a document, a test document, which, as you can see, has been created by me. I am on my tutorial account currently, and I have created a couple of comments. Now, as you can see, you can comment on the entire file, or you can comment certain parts of the text, such as, let me just write test here, and if I highlight it, then I have the option to comment it like so. Now, that's the same comment, but it doesn't really matter. However, to delete your own comments, you can delete your own comments whenever you'd like. To delete others' comments, I think you need to be the owner or the creator of this file. Might not be needed. However, it's really simple how to delete them. You can view them all here in the top right under view comments, by the way. But yeah, to delete them, you just want to hover over the comment and just click the check mark, which will resolve the comment. And as you can see, the comments are gone after you click it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.